Kia ora te whānau, welcome to our second video in this Drawing Māori Patterns series. Today I'll be showing you how I draw a mangōpare. We'll also explore its meanings and its usage in Māori art. So let's begin. Just like the koru, we start with a curved line. The mangōpare is pretty much two koru mirrored, as you can see by this example. So we have two curved lines which create a stem, and then we add two koru on each side. Now it's up to you however you want to do it, but the way I do it is I have a line up here and I follow this all the way around and create my koru off that line. And then same with this side, all the way around, mirroring that side and creating your koru all the way there. And essentially it's just the same process as drawing a koru. You create your bulb or your pito and then just link it all back up to the top. One thing you want to try and do, like I haven't really done it very well here, is to keep your spacing. So the spacing here in these koru should be the same spacing as the spacing between here. There we go, just adding in those extra curves, tidy everything up a little bit. And then the last part is just rubbing out a few lines. Rub out those two lines. If you've drawn a line across here, rub that one out too. And then we just tidy up those corners. And there you go. E te whānau. A mangōpare. Just like the koru tū whānau, you can go over your lines if you wish, darken them, tidy them up, add in a bit of shading if you can. Just be as creative as you want. It's really about getting the muscle memory of drawing the shape itself, and then from there you can start learning different variations and all of that. Now that we're done here, let's kick into the symbolism and what the mangōpare represents. The mangōpare is used to depict the hammerhead shark. Therefore, the pattern represents characteristics of the hammerhead shark. The main ones being strength, courage, tenacity, and leadership. If you can also see, the mangōpare is, if we have our stem in the center of the shark, the koru are the eyes. And that's what gives the mangōpare its shape. The mangōpare, when applied to Māori art, can be used in a various number of ways. The most common, however, is a repeated design creating a kōwhaiwhai pattern. As seen by these examples, I've done my best to show different styles of how the mangōpare can be applied. In this example, we have just a single line and another single line creating that mangōpare design. In this one, we actually have two mangōpare that are put together, and then this whole design is flipped and mirrored. In this example, we have an uneven mangōpare. So we still have the general shape as seen here, but one side is longer than the other, and then it's flipped and mirrored, and it would go on indefinitely for as long as you intend it to go. There are certain ways you can do it, but also don't be afraid to experiment. Art is in the eye of the beholder, whānau, and don't be afraid to put your own spin on this pattern. There you go, e te whānau, the mangōpare, its meaning and its application in Māori art. If you enjoyed, drop a like and consider subscribing, as we will be covering more Māori patterns in future videos. Ka kite anō.